How to fix Bigo Live login issue. First, close Bigo Live and reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary app glitch. Make sure you are on stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try switching network or turning airplane mode on and off. Double check how you created your Bigo Live account. Phone number, Facebook, Google, and Apple. Try the same method you used before. Switching method won't work unless they are linked. If you forgot your login information, tap forget password, enter your phone number or email and follow the reset link. Go to App Store and update your Bigo Live account or delete it and reinstall it to fix bugs causing login error, and boom, you're back in Bigo. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy app fixes. See you in the next one.